Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to cancel a place on Kickstarter in just a few easy steps. First of all, sign in, go to the kickstarter.com and log into your account. Or you can use the application, go to the Play Store or App Store and download the Kickstarter. After that, open it and make sure you have signed into the account. After signing to the account, this interface of the Kickstarter will pop up. Then find the project. Scroll through your back project and select the one you want to cancel your place for. Find the project that you have bagged before. Suppose this is the bagged project I have bagged before. Then manage your place. On the project page, look for the manage your place button and click it. Now you can cancel the place. Scroll down and click cancel the place. Kickstarter will ask for confirmation. Just hit confirm and your place will be cancelled. You can only cancel a place while the project is still alive. Once it's refunded or funded and closed, you can't cancel anymore. And that's it, you have successfully cancelled your Kickstarter place. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.